Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a room in Character AI. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Character AI. So once you have opened Character AI, make sure to log into your account. You need to be logged into your account. So just log into your account. So I've logged into mine. So I'm on my home page here. So once you've logged in, what are you going to do? You're going to, on your left tab here, left side panel here, you'll have a create option. Click on the create option, and then from create, select create a room. So select the create a room option. And now what you have to do is you just have to, on your first option, your first box here, you need to give your room name. So type in any uh, room name for your room, and then add characters. The second one, you just need to add some characters. So from the, just choose any characters from this drop down list here. So just choose, and then you can add more characters as well. So if you want, so you can just choose more, it's up to you. And then the third option here is the room topic. So you can add a topic. What is this room about? So this is actually purely optional, so you can write it if you want. Otherwise, you can just simply click on create it, and then once you click on create it, and that's it, your room will be created now. So now I have actually made up this room here. So that's it, this is fine now. So I've already made my room here. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this information is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.